Hello friends, let's have the discuss of NTI-TPC mock test 47. बात करते हैं यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। तो a few drops of sap was collected by cutting across a plant stem by a suitable methods. The sap was tested chemically. Which one of the following test result indicates that it is the phloem sap? Phloem sap, okay. This is the alkaline in nature. I think 7.4 to 7.8 point something इसका pH होता है और जो जाइलम होता है वो एल्कलाइन इन नेचर का होता है। ओके, द pH ऑफ फ्लोएम होता है 7.3 to 8.5 और जबकि बेसिक इन नेचर का होता है। जबकि अगर जाइलम की बात करें तो जाइलम होता है 6.1 to 6.7 pH यानी कि एसिडिक इन नेचर। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, फाइंड द इनकरेक्ट ओके स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। साइंस of the life forms and study of the living process is biology. This is correct, but option B, all living organisms grow. This is correct, but reproductions is a characteristics of the living only. Okay, but option number D, consciousness is exhibited by the human beings only, not human being included all others. Question number third, which of the following restriction endonucleases enzymes produce sticky ends? This is most important question and hint third, but first and second. This is not sticky, but it is hint third is sticky. Question number four, find out the incorrect statement from the given options. Okay, incorrect. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organs where all blood cells are produced. Okay, correct. फिर एंटीबॉडी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एलर्जी इज इम्यूनोग्लोबिन ई। ओके, फिर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, eosinophils आर मोस्ट एक्टिव WBCs इन worms infestations. This is correct, but helper T all helper T cells are part of cellular barrier of innate immunity. This is wrong. ये सेल मेडिएटेड इम्यूनिटी को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, determine the sex ABCD of Drosophila according to the chromosomal constitute given below. ओके, जो ए प्लस XO स्ट्राइल मेल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, कैपिटल ए प्लस ट्रिपल एक्स सुपर फीमेल को, फिर ट्रिपल ए प्लस XXY इंटरसेक्स को, फिर ट्रिपल ए प्लस XY नॉर्मल फीमेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, adenine is 30%, then what would be the percentage of guanine is and double stranded DNA 20%. Question number 7, which part of the base as anatomy has been modified to become the instinct apparatus for ovipositor? Question number 8, to improve the yield of legumes unicellular symbiotic organisms do this, fixing atmospheric nitrogen and colonizing roots of host plants. Question number 9, footprints, trails, tracks and tunnels of various organisms made in mud are rapidly filled in with sand and covered by sediments. This is an example of what of the following fossil types of imprints? But this is not important. Question number 10, name the varieties. Okay, variety of the rice that was patented by a US company when even though the highest number of varieties of this rice is found in India. This is PVQ. I think okay 2018 में पूछा गया था नीट में बासमती राइस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हाट इज द रीजंस फॉर डिफॉरेस्टेशन, अर्बनाइजेशंस एंड इंक्रीजिंग population explosion? Question number 12, the beginning of maturation phase is marked by the end of juvenile phase for maturation phase. Question number 13, which of the following is true regarding the actions of diaphragm which act as a barrier device of contraception for females? They cover only for cervix. Question number 14, The productions of both the chasmogamous and clistogamous flowers are by oxalis and viola. This is most important question. They are asking of. There are lots of time in previous year questions. Question 15. Pyramid of numbers is either upright or are inverted. Question number 16. Select the correct options given according to diversity of the tropical Amazonian rainforest in South America. Insects more than plants, more than fishes, birds. Question number 17. The cellular layer that disintegrates and regenerates again and again in humans is endometrium of uterus. Question number 18. What does of the dorsiventral leaf of plants have conspicuous cuticle present on both epidermis? Okay, फिर the vascular boliform cells in adaxial epidermis, no abaxial epidermis, palisade tissues towards abaxial, no adaxial epidermis of spongy parenchyma towards the abaxial epidermis. Option number D. Vascular bundle surrounded by the layer of thick walled bundle seed cells. Okay. Question number 19. The group Monera. Okay. Monera has maximum nutritional diversity. Question number 20. How many grams of urea on an average does a healthy adult human excrete out per day? 25 to 30 gram. Question 21. The cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral. Okay, cervical for 7, thoracic for 12. Okay, pair, but lumbar for 5, sacral 1 but fused, and coccygeal 1 but fused. Question 22. Type primary root is disintegrate descending axis that develops from the radical. Question 23. Which is the most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animals for connective tissue? Question 24. In which of the disorder heart is not able to pump blood effectively enough to meet the need of body heart failure? Question 25. The chloroplast of red algae has a single thylakoid per granum. Red algae. Question 26. Xibrella fusiculae fungus causes Bacana disease in Japan. Question 27. What is the other characteristics of Estabularia? Estabularia looks like for umbrella plant other than being 10 centimeter long single card marine green alga. Okay, uninucleate. Question 28. For the synthesis of a molecule of glucose in C4 plants, the requirements of the ATP and NADPH is respectively for 30 and 12. Question 29. Choose correct P, Q and R. P for Gauss principles, competition exclusion, Mark Arthurs for experiment for Q, coexistence for C, R, ecodon R for Ishuri. Question 30. Micronutrients are play equally important role as macronutrients. Question 31. During forced expiration, the actively contracting muscles in the body includes abdominal muscles. Question 32. Prostaglandins are derived from which of the following are arachidonic acid? Question 33. NFS first and NFS second are different from each other because of orientations of spindle fibers. Question 34. Below are measurement of various factors in the blood at the two ends of a capillary bed. What is the most likely locations for the capillary bed? I think this is confusing question. Understand. Question 35. Read the following features and identify the animals. Belongs to largest phylum of animals kingdom. Okay, Arthropoda. फिर 6 legs. Okay. फिर respirations by trachea. फिर gregarious first Holocaust. Question 36. Which one of these transmits nerve impulse away from central nervous system abducens? Abducens the sixth cranial nerve. Question 37. Which hormone causes dilation of the blood vessels, increased oxygen consumption and gluconeogenesis? Adrenaline. Question 38. ADS cycle. Electron. NADH प्लस यहाँ पर जो दिया है ओके, साइटोक्रोम बी टू साइटोक्रोम C1, साइटोक्रोम सी, फिर साइटोक्रोम 3, फिर साइटोक्रोम A0 ओके, फिर साइटोक्रोम बी एंड साइटोक्रोम C1. Question 39. Just as hydrochloric acid is for pepsinogens as pepsinogen, so is the introkinase to trypsinogen. Question of 40. Inheritance of which of the following traits is represented in the given cross X-linked recessive traits? Question of 41. Option choose the options with correct sequence. Okay, stages in the evolutions of modern human Homo sapiens. ऑस्ट्रेलोपिथेकस, उसके बाद फिर आए थे होमो हैबिलिस, होमो हैबिलिस के बाद फिर जावा मैन, जावा मैन के बाद फिर नियंडरथल मैन, नियंडरथल के बाद क्रोमैग्नान, क्रोमैग्नान के बाद मॉडर्न ह्यूमन. Question 42. Choose the wrong statement. Okay, Dobson unit are used to measure oxygen content. No, this is the use of measure to ozone thickness, ozone layer thickness. Question 43. Common cold is the most contagious disease due to rhino and adenovirus. Question 44. Water of coconut is liquid endosperm. Question 45. Which of the following is wrong statement? Okay, blastopore is found in gastrula and is the opening of blastocele. No, fetal movements are observed during the 5th month. Okay, external genitalia develops in the 3rd month. Fit dentine of tooth is derived from the mesoderm. Question 46. Multicellular producers belong to kingdom Plantae. Question 47. Mint sucker. Okay, true match. फिर लोटस राइजोम, जमीकंद राइजोम. नो, पाइनएप्पल सकर. Question 48. Succession that occur on soil ORR areas which have recently lost their community are referred to as secondary successions. Question 49. Cockroach has a stomodial valve between gizzard and mesenteron. Question 50. Largest ovules, largest male and female gametes and tallest trees are found among gymnosperm. Question 51. What are the initiations and terminations factor of transcription in prokaryotes respectively? Sigma and rho respectively. Question 52. Geometric and arithmetic growths are well observed in the development of embryo. Question 53. The following is the pedigree that belong to thalassemia. Okay, thalassemia. Identify the parental genotype correctly. Capital small a into capital A into small a. Correct match. Question 54. Warhulist Pearl logistic growth and exponential growth curve and describe the following equations and graphs. Select the correct one. dn by dt is equal to rnk minus n by k. Okay, डी एन बाई डी टी इक्वल आर एन के माइनस एन बाई के। ये जो थर्ड नंबर दिया है फिर पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग, उसके बाद फर्स्ट डी एन बाई डी टी इक्वल आर एन पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ओके टाइम ओके। क्वेश्चन 55, फाइंड आउट how many are broadly utilitarian regions for conserving biodiversity? Oxygen, pollination, food and erosion control. I think okay चेक कर लेते हैं। फिर fibers and wood, no drugs, no aesthetic pleasures, no। इनके 4 are correct। क्वेश्चन 56, दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो दिया है। क्राई सेकेंड ए बी एक कॉटन बॉरवॉर्म को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जो क्राई फर्स्ट ए बी प्रोड्यूस टॉक्सिन्स दैट कंट्रोल फॉर कॉर्न बोरर। क्वेश्चन 57, गटेशन डिफर्स फ्रॉम ट्रांसपिरेशंस इन विच एस्पेक्ट्स? इट अकर्स इन लिक्विड फॉर्म। मोनास्कस परप्यूरियस इज अ ईस्ट कमर्शियली यूज्ड इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल लोअरिंग एजेंट की तरह यूज करते हैं इसको। स्टैटिन प्रोड्यूस होता है इससे। क्वेश्चन 59, इन फोटोसिंथेसिस डार्क रिएक्शंस ऑफ Calvin cycles occurs in stroma of chloroplast. Oh, this is most important diagram. Ask of need there are lots of time। जो F दिया है सेंट्रल सेल को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। फिर जो G दिया है एक न्यूक्लियस को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। उसके बाद जो A दिया है ए प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। जो बी दिया है सिनर्जिड सेल्स को, और जो सी दिया है फेलिफॉर्म अपटेटस को। जो डी दिया है मेल गैमेट्स को। फिर जो ई दिया है ये वेजिटेटिव न्यूक्लियस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, सेलेक्ट द स्टेटमेंट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फ्लोएम फाइबर्स। ओके, जनरली नॉट प्रेजेंट इन प्राइमरी फ्लोएम। ओके, much elongated unbranched with needle-like apices with scleral chimeras in nature becomes dead at maturity. Question number 62, end product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. Question number 63, identify the true statements. Creating awareness about sex-related aspects is an effective method to improve reproductive health. Question number 64, identify the appropriate descriptions of the following depicted in the floral diagram given below. यूनाइटेड होता है वाल्वेट सेपल्स, फ्री इम्ब्रिकेट्स पेटल्स, फ्री स्टेमस, यूनिलोकुलर ओवरी विथ मार्जिनल प्लेसेंटेशन। आई होप एवरीबडी आर नो अबाउट फॉर मार्जिनल प्लेसेंटेशन इन पी एंड बीन। ओके, मार्जिनल नो 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 I think correct. Marginal presentation in P. Question 65, blood clotting occurs with the help of fibrinogen, calcium and prothrombin, and all of these are correct. Question 66, arrange the following ecosystems according to the increasing order of their mean net primary productive tons हेक्टेयर ईयर। सबसे ज़्यादा अगर उसकी बात की जाए डाइवर्सिटी की, तो सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट के बाद फिर ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट, फिर टेम्परेट डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट, उसके बाद फिर टेम्परेट कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 67, Which of the following features is odd one out with respect to prions? Resistance nucleoprotein particles. Question number 68. Andalusian vowels false have two pure forms black and white. If black forms capital B and white forms capital W are crossed, F1 individuals appear blue colored. Okay, BW due to incomplete dominance. Which of the following would be result of a cross between black forms and blue forms? First black and first are blue. Question number 69. What is the common symptoms between diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus? Thirst and dehydration. Question number 70. In the graph, determine the natures of reactions according to enzymes kinetic. Exothermic reaction. Okay. Transition state for activation energy without enzymes. Activation energy with enzyme are completed fast. Question number 71. In human being, the secretory phase of menstrual cycle is referred to as luteal phase and lasts 14 days. Question number 72. A stage between the meiosis first and meiosis second is more than one. Option is correct. Okay. All called intrameiotic interphase. Oh, no, no. Characteristic by polymerizations of deoxyribonucleotides. Okay. Short lived. Question number 73. Glass snakes are limbless lizards which break off their tails easily. Which of these belongs to this category? Ophiosaurus, Barcudia, Anguis. This is waste of question, not asking NEET out of NCERT. Question number 74. AIDS was first reported in USA in 1981. Okay. फिर question number 75. How many plants given below have Syncarpus gynoecium? Syncarpus, okay, papaver and hibiscus, I think. Question number 76. Injury localized to the hypothalamus most likely disrupt of regulations of body temperatures. Question number 77. Question number 77. Hormone which lead to growth of the root is micropropagations is auxin. Question number 78. All of the following are correct with respect to actions of atrial natriuretic factor except causes vasoconstrictions. No, except but decreased blood pressures, decreased sodium reabsorptions, increased sodium excretions. Question number 79. The proteins that will functions outside the cytoplasm are made by which of the following are ribosomes on rough endoplasmic reticulum? Question number 80. If mouth is present and anus is absent, this type of body plan is called blind sac body plan. Question number 81. glycosidic bonds is formed between टू कार्बन एटम्स ऑफ टू एडजेसेंट मोनोसैक्राइड्स। मैंने सारे बॉन्ड्स जितने हैं, पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स, ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, ये सारे मैंने इसकी एक अलग वीडियो पर्टिकुलर बना रखी है, तो आप लोग चाहें तो उसको देख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 82, प्रोडाइगैलिटी in relations to Darwinism implies successful organisms have produced numerous offspring. Question number 83. Organisms which are able to tolerate a wide range of salt concentrations are termed as euryhaline. Question number 84. Male gametophyte with the least number of cells is present in Lilium. Question number 85. Haploids are more suitable for mutations studied than the diploids. This is because all mutations, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. Question number 86. In cacti, cactus, spines are modified from leaves. Question number 87. Pseudopodia is a characteristic features of which class of phylum Protozoa? Sarcodium. Question number 88. Identify incorrect match. Alpha 1 antitrypsin emphysema. First transgenic cow rosy, genetic engineering insulin. Eliza gene therapy, no. ADS for gene therapy. Question number 89. The smallest irregular bone is in man is stapes found in ear. Question number 90. What is not true for genetic code? Nearly universal, triplet natures, unambiguous, okay. A code, a codon in mRNA is read in a non-continuous fashion. No, this is not correct. इस प्रकार आपसे 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते हैं। प्लीज़ आप लोग वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करिए। प्लीज़ चैनल को काफ़ी ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करिए। आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं, देख लेते हैं, काफ़ी लोग देख लेते हैं बट सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और वीडियो को लाइक किया करिए प्लीज़। हालांकि लाइक करने में आपका क्या जाता है, कुछ भी नहीं जाता है। सब्सक्राइब करने में कुछ भी नहीं जाता है। मैं पर डे 30 मिनट में 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करवाता हूँ। हालांकि ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश नहीं करता हूँ क्योंकि एक्सप्लेन करने से काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम जाता है और दिस इज़ ग्रेट। आई होप आप लोग के लिए टाइम काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि इस समय एग्ज़ाम पास आ चुका है अभी, क्योंकि डेट कंफर्म हुई नहीं है आई थिंक, बट कोशिश यही रहेगी कि 1 अगस्त तक हो जाए गवर्नमेंट की। तो थैंक यू वॉच फॉर दिस वीडियो और मिलते हैं आप अगली वीडियो में।